Welcome back, clinical research scoop and circle. How's it going? We have a hardcore fan, probably our biggest fan. I got to give a shout out to this guy, Igor Kaspin from Newport Beach, California. I mean, he's asking the right question. That's why he's in Newport Beach, guys. All right? He's asking the right questions. Okay. Dan, what can you guys at the scoop please talk about Ocugen? OCGN. So I know nothing about it, but you can see it here. It was at 50 cents until December 20th, 30 cents. Then it went to $2.50 January 4th. And we're going to go and look at the news,
today,
which Dr. Al taught me. So here's what they have. Okay. They've got, well, I need a premium membership for this. But they have, I don't need it because look, I'm going to teach you guys watching how to do this. You know, this is good. You get it like their compound, and then you
I
just
think
go,
they will connect you with the .gov.
yeah, but you
From
just go
the,
here and look for yourself and say, okay, this is for ocular surface disease, dry eye. So this is ophthalmology, which is really hot right now in research. And so they must have had, let's see what the news was on December 10th. Ocugen and Biotech to co-develop Covaxin. Oh, a whole virus inactivated COVID-19 vaccine. So this is why that stock jumped on this news. So generally with a stock like this, you know, and this is when I apologize to Igor, our fan, but he told us about this like around this time, December 15th. So Igor, I hope you bought a lot of this because now you're doing well. Okay, but as far as clinicaltrials.gov, I mean, this is all on the COVID vaccine news of the partnership. So uh, that's what we have here. We have, and then you can find out what we have to look at what that partnership entails, and then look up that company. Co-develop Covaxin. Okay, Ocugen and Barhat, so it's like a foreign company, will co-develop this vaccine candidate, Covaxin. So I wanted to see if they actually have a study yet on clinicaltrials.gov. So I'm going to search for this.
Covaxin.
Yeah. Let's see. Nothing yet. So
16 study.
for C
C
vaccine.
vaccine.
Yeah.
Different.
So I don't know. They don't have anything yet listed. But if you're an investor and you want to know, okay, is this too late to buy? I don't know. But you have to keep your eye on clinicaltrials.gov to see what the enrollment is looking like, when they plan to end enrollment.
Dan,
Yeah.
do me a favor. Go back to the bio catalyst. Go up to that search.
Okay.
Yeah, here. Put it. Put the Covax.
Go back. Oh, okay.
Print it. Yeah. See, anything comes up? Nothing. Huh?
Is it spelled right?
No, he copied it. Copy and paste.
Let me see.
Let's try to Google it. 5 hours ago, Indians aren't guinea pigs.
That's
Congress
spelled correctly.
minister questions Covaxin rollout. Ah, maybe this has something to do with the shareholder meeting being postponed. Yeah,
And
they
the
didn't
drop.
want to do the study. They didn't want to do the Covaxin study in India. Looks like.
I know, but this like Indian company, the one who's joining
Yeah.
Kogan.
Yeah, they partner with Bharat, which looks I think it's an Indian company,
Okay,
and it's controversy around it right now.
well, that's why mainly.
And that's probably why it's not on CT.gov. I think they're trying to do the study in the vaccine developed by the Hyderabad-based company in collaboration with the Indian Council has been touted as a key example of India's indigenous manufacturing. However, the vaccine is yet to clear its phase 3 trials, due to which the government had earlier said it was to be used only in case of emergency. Now the government is saying recipients won't be able to pick and choose the vaccine when phase 3 trials of Covaxin is not complete. It raises concerns on its efficacy. You can't use rollout as phase 3 trial. Indians are not guinea pigs. See, this is what clinical research is, a bad reputation. Even prime ministers are saying guinea pigs with
Yep.
clinical research.
Yep.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm looking
so
at
that
the-
could be some of the issues there.
I think so.
that we have.
I think this is a big issue because it's a news, is a news release for the vaccine, the new vaccine.
Yeah, so from that, I would, what window am I on? I wouldn't touch the stock, but if you owned it at 30 cents and it's at 250, good job. I would sell it.
I would not touch the stock because there's still big controversy about it, and everybody is and it's need to be tried in India, and they don't want to do it even. So I don't think the vaccine
I
gonna
wonder if
go
that's
anywhere.
why- I wonder if that's why Biotech, because of this, they partnered with Ocugen. Maybe they want to do it in the United States. I don't know.
I know, but this is today,
Yeah,
and the last month in December was both of them getting together,
yeah,
the Kogan and the Baharat.
good point. But our fan, Igor Caspin, would have made us some money if we did this podcast earlier, like a month earlier. Oops. Okay,
Now the other one.
ARKG,
No.
perennial outperformance ahead. ARKG, it's an ETF.
That one seems.
Oh, this is a Genomic Revolution Exchange Traded Fund, ARKG. That's why we
Yeah,
can't find it. It's not a biotech, it's an ETF.
Yeah, it is big thing now, the genomic things.
Really?
Yeah, it is
Talk
big,
about
big,
this
big
a
thing,
little bit.
genomic things. Dan, everybody is talking about genomic and gene manipulation and everything. The big companies of genomic is with this now. In oncology, the new genomic testing and medication that's related to it, and it's a huge thing. The genomic.
So what, explain to us, because we don't understand any of this, to a average Joe, why is this so hot? And knowing what you know, would this be something interesting to look at as a ETF?
I didn't know that the genomic stuff have genomic company have an ETF.
Yeah,
I didn't know that. But if you go to the ATF and see the companies, you see them, one of the biggest company that's working in immunotherapy because they go to decide on their medication through the new genomics NGS or the new genomic testing. They work now. You have the big company, the editing for the genes. Also, they're doing. I don't know if they are included in this ETF or not, but it's a big news. Like you have a CRISPR jumped from $70-80 in November to $200 today.
Which one?
193.
Which one?
CRISPR, CRSP.
They're public?
Yeah, they're public. Yeah,
I think
CRISPR.
they're a non-profit.
No, they're public, and they jumped from $70-80 in the November.
We're talking about CRISPR. I didn't know that's public.
Yeah,
We
it's been out for many
We
years.
missed out. What are we doing?
Wow.
Not owning this. We talk about this like nerds all the time, and we don't own the stock.
193. Go to a year before.
Hey,
There
but
is no.
that's nothing though, because we're early, right? So do you think this price point, this should
I think I read a couple of reports, and they say this is the new Amazon.
Chris?
I'm hearing.
Yes, TD Ameritrade, just sell some crap and buy this. I don't know what.
We still have a little bit of cash left. Maybe I'll just use the rest for this.
There you go, CRSP. Well, put half in that and put half in ARKG. It's a ETF for Genomic Revolution.
A year ago.
Year to date. Oh, 1 year. Let's put 1 year. One year. The lowest was 38. Yeah, 38, and now it's 193. What Dr. Al says is not lies, people. It's factual.
The other company you look into it is EDIT, EDIT Medicine.
Hold on.
EDIT.
Hey, make that clear, Dan. We don't give financial advice.
Well, I think you did, but let me say it again for the people in the back. We do not give financial advice. Do not follow what we say. Dr. Al, let's talk. Tell me why CRISPR. What's so promising about CRISPR, and what's so promising?
CRISPR, I think late last year they were initiated phase 3 study, phase 1, 2 study for sickle cell disease to reverse the sickler,
I even
and
watched
that's
a
why
documentary on
they
this.
start jumping.
Wow. So there you guys go. Any questions, Monica, Chris? Anything?
No, just.
I think you're all
educated.
speechless. You're all speechless.
Yeah.
Good information.
Who's speechless around here?
And they
Not me.
Yeah, see
Chris is not speechless.
that. So if we go down a little bit here.
Oh yeah,
What do you
but
say,
I'm
Chris?
not sharing anymore.
Good information. Definitely. Anybody interested in investing? Again, not advice, but if you're interested, do your homework and maybe you'll find something you're interested in.
Definitely not advice.
Yeah.
We're just clinical researchers and one oncologist and clinical researcher talking about what you guys want us to talk about, and then we start talking about what we want to talk about as we discover new things. I don't even know how we got into CRISPR, but Dr. Al, as always, thank you.
Well,
And
Right.
thank you, Monica and Chris. Thank you, Monica, for joining me with the mask. You know, we got to show solidarity. And then Chris Auber looking like a hostage somewhere. Are you okay, Chris? If you're okay, blink once that you're okay.
Mario has
He's somewhere in submarine that is like in
Chris,
the deep ocean. That's
if you want me to call the police, wink once. Wink.
call Rosario and tell her to let me free.
Okay, we will. Thank you guys for watching and
Say hi to
listening.
Rosario.
Say hi to Rosario. I'm going to see you guys next week on Wednesday. Catch y'all later. Clinical Scoop and Clinical Circle.
why.
Doing
Here,
business,
everybody.
Latinos in clinical research, and meeting with doctors. So let's, Happy New Year to everybody. Thank you.